Are carbohydrates bad for you?
Many people believe that eating carbohydrates leads to weight gain and health problems. However, not all carbs are created equal, and they play an important role in a balanced diet. It's time to separate fact from fiction when it comes to carbohydrates and understand how they truly affect our health.
What are carbohydrates?
Carbohydrates are one of the body's main sources of energy, found in foods like grains, fruits, vegetables, and dairy. They come in two main types: simple carbs, which are quickly digested, and complex carbs, which provide longer-lasting energy. Understanding these differences is key to making better food choices.
Myth: all carbs cause weight gain.
The idea that all carbs contribute to weight gain is a common misconception. It's often the type and amount of carbs consumed that matters most. Whole grains, fruits, and vegetables can actually support a healthy weight and provide vital nutrients, while excessive intake of sugary snacks and refined grains can have negative effects.
Good carbs versus bad carbs.
So-called good carbs are those found in whole, minimally processed foods like brown rice, oats, beans, fruits, and vegetables. These provide fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Bad carbs often refer to highly processed foods with added sugars like candy and soda, which offer little nutritional value and can lead to health problems when overconsumed.
How to choose healthy carbohydrates.
Choosing the right carbs for your diet means focusing on whole foods. Look for items high in fiber and nutrients, such as whole grains, legumes, and fresh produce. Limit consumption of sugary snacks and refined grains. Remember, carbohydrates themselves aren't the enemy. It's about making informed, balanced choices for long-term health.